Hi, this is Brother Barnes. Welcome back. My second step when getting ready to jump into Canvas is to develop a due dates calendar for the course. This is done in conjunction with the development of the syllabus. I make a statement in the syllabus that a separate due dates calendar is available. This is also going to be posted in the Canvas shell, by the way. My school is particular about conforming to certain templates when setting up the due dates calendar and syllabus, and I make every effort to comply. A due dates calendar is important because due dates are part of setting up Canvas assignments. Due dates are part of the handrails of Canvas along with modules, which I discuss in other videos. I place the due dates of major tests and in-class activities in the due dates calendar. Otherwise, I give approximations and direct the student to check Canvas for specifics. I include some basic critical resources in the due dates calendar along with basic instructions regarding online testing. I did not mean to do that. I also added a statement regarding the possible modification of the due dates calendar due to COVID-19. My first step was to develop an overall class schedule so that I can know classes which could be linked together to minimize the number of times I have to give announcements and minimize the number of Canvas shells I need to work in. That information is covered in another video. Be well. Stay tuned for more videos which may be helpful in your Canvas journey. This is Brother Barnes.